Tampok ang obra ng mga local artists sa isang art fair sa Antipolo City. Tunghayan yan sa report ni Hazel Alvear.
Musika at sining natatak Antipolo. Ibinida yan sa Pistang Sining, isang art fair na layong i-promote ang local artist at artisans ng lungsod.
We're just here to jive and just to collaborate and to come together na celebrating art.
Nakadisplay ang visual arts na gawa ng Antipolo Group Incorporated, bayong bags na gawa ng Antipolo inmates, mga Pinoy pasalubong at mga sustainable at organic products. May photographer ding gumagamit ng sinaunang street box camera. Nais din daw ng Antipolo City LGU na maipromote ang kanilang syudad bilang wedding destination, kaya naman ang Floors Garden ang napiling venue para sa Pistang Sining.
Napakadaming magagandang simbahan na nasa Antipolo City. Dito din po matatagpuan ang the first international shrine of Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage.
We want to pay tribute to the artists who are here. Floors Garden started last year. And this year, we are very happy na accepted kami ng Antipolo.
We are promoting the Filipino Antipolo artist, Floors Garden in Antipolo, now an events destination, especially for weddings.
At kapag sinabing wedding, syempre nariyan ang masasarap na putahe.
We continue to promote Philippine products like vegetables, fruit trees, and this is what Antipolo, after all, is known for.
Nice nature and surroundings, and it's great to see all the arts and crafts that are here today.
Nag-enjoy rin ang lahat sa OPM hits na tinugtog ng Antipolo City Band. Libre ring binuksan sa publiko mula 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. ang Carolina Bamboo Garden. Hazel Alvear, Balitang Southern Tagalog.